Over the past 25 years, we've come to realize that more than anything, the vast majority of our low-income neighbors here in South Dallas want opportunities, the chance to make their lives better. Helping them get that chance is what CitySquare is all about.
It's one word that kind of sums it up: care. They care about people. They want to see you do better. They want to see you have housing. They want to see you have the qualifications to go out and get a job. You know, and they help you with all that.
CitySquare is actually the legacy of one very faithful businessman here in Dallas. His name is Jim Sal. Jim, 25 years ago, was moved by the plight of countless homeless persons who were living under the bridges here in the downtown area. And he, along with his friends at the Preston Road Church of Christ, began what was known then as the Central Dallas Food Pantry. All of this has resulted from that very faithful, dedicated beginning. At CitySquare, we've served tens of thousands of our neighbors since 1988. We're here for hunger, for the 20,000 children to whom we delivered almost 1 million meals last summer, for those over 37,000 people who received 1 million pounds of groceries that we distributed out of our food distribution center, who otherwise would have gone without. We're here for housing, for our formerly homeless neighbors, 250 of them, who now have permanent supportive housing. We're here for health, for the patients who've had 4,000 prescriptions filled in our clinic and who've enjoyed over 10,000 clinic visits to see a doctor or a nurse. And we're here for hope. 150 of our neighbors received much-needed job training last year. 1,300 of our neighbors received referrals for various kinds of city services. And 400 households received pro bono legal help, the help they needed to get away from domestic violence.
CitySquare has helped so many families, but we're uniquely positioned to do so much more. All of that prepares people for a better quality of life, which is able to lift them out of poverty. And there are only two pathways to that: living wage employment and education. CitySquare is uniquely positioned to be able to address the needs of the poor and to provide for them the pathway out of poverty.
Our latest vision for making a difference in this community is coming to life in our new Opportunity Center. Come down to Fair Park. I'd love to show you around. There along Malcolm X Boulevard, we're seeing enthusiasm, amazement, and even joy. So many of the people who will come into our new center have been through so much in terms of hard times and challenges that when they begin to get traction, have and enjoy new opportunity, and start moving forward, they really model hope and what can be for their neighbors who also face those same challenges. It's this progress, this hope, that really rebuilds community. Our goal with the center is to focus on three things, basically. We want to help our neighbors get healthy and stay healthy. We want them to have easier access to help that's already being offered by the local government. And then we're determined to help them get trained and placed into good jobs that pay a livable wage, jobs that in fact break the cycle of poverty. This is our new food center. In addition to a greatly expanded food pantry, which will allow us to distribute millions more pounds of groceries to our neighbors, there's also a production kitchen. This kitchen will be very special. We'll teach people how to eat on a low-income budget in a healthy manner. We'll train people for jobs in culinary arts, and we'll produce meals for our summer lunch program that benefits thousands of kids.
The Opportunity Center is a one-stop shop where people can come and find the services that they need to help them overcome the barriers to them achieving their quality of life. Work Paths, our employment training strategy, WorkSource Dallas County, LIFT, which will help them overcome barriers in terms of literacy, our food pantry, neighborhood support services. All of these programs are designed to help people overcome the barriers that are keeping them from achieving their dreams for themselves and for their families. And we're excited about the opportunity to offer this. It's more than just throwing money at the problems. We are putting ourselves behind this. We are offering ourselves as friends and neighbors to the community to help to let them know that they have the love, the support, and that they have the encouragement to be able to achieve their dreams.
I think the one thing that CitySquare will bring to this area is, first of all, hope. From hope, these people will build their faith and get strong again as far as their motivation to get back into the job market, to have their own home, to be a provider for a family, just to do things that's right in the eyes of God.
It's going to help me get life skills where I can go and find a job. I'm disabled right now, but I won't be disabled forever. And that place is going to really help me. It's going to help all the people out here that live on these streets that really want some help because they really care.
I like to tell people that when they make an investment in our work, it's like casting a vote to see this part of the city completely renewed, a vote to support our efforts and our dream that really values this part of Dallas, a part of Dallas that so many people have given up on.
Fighting poverty is no easy task. It takes everybody. It takes churches, it takes businesses, it takes corporations, but most of all, it takes individuals willing to invest their lives in the lives of others. Make no mistake, we're here. We're here to stay. Come join the fight.